All right, let's talk about the Canon EOS R10, Canon's compact mirrorless camera that packs serious punch for its size and price. If you're into travel, street photography, vlogging, or don't want to spend too much for great performance, this one's a strong contender. You get a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, giving crisp detail and great color straight out of the camera. The images are clean, sharp, and lightweight, nice for everyday shooting or travel. Autofocus is snappy and smart, tracking subjects, faces, and movement with ease, which is super helpful if you shoot on the go. For shooters who like speed, the R10 delivers burst shooting for action, wildlife, or quick candid shots. Video creators also get solid 4K video with decent autofocus, making it a good hybrid camera for both photos and video content. The body is compact and lightweight, perfect for travel, street walks, or carrying around all day without fatigue. Pair it with a small prime or a compact zoom lens, and you have a no-fuss setup ready for anything. So who should buy the R10? Beginner photographers, travel shooters, vloggers, students, hobbyists, and anyone who wants a versatile camera that's easy to carry but still takes high-quality photos and video. Why buy it? Because it's affordable, easy to use, portable, and delivers solid quality without the bulk or cost of a professional full-frame camera. Point. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more camera gear videos.